and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. This is a detailed video to show you how to use the Easy-Stow PIR in the rear of a minivan, in this case a Honda Odyssey, to remove a wheelchair from the vehicle and put it out and down to the ground. If you'd like to learn more about this option, please check out the other videos in our notes field down below. So our first step here is going to be to connect the lift to the docking device. Now we've got our wheelchair belts here, and they're just to keep the wheelchair from rolling around. They're not as a proper wheelchair tie down. Once we lift and we're up, we're going to actually move the wheelchair out and down. Once we get all the way out, move it down to the ground, detach, bring the lift back in. Raise and relocate in. Now at this point, you could actually detach the lift and stow it. Okay, put it down in the compartment, make sure it's stowed. Or another option, might make life a little easier for you, is just use our belt tie downs here, leave it in place. Another tie down right here. Shorten up the belts and just give it a little upward tweak. Tension the belts. Don't go too far, and you're ready to hit the road. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please check us out on Facebook and like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. We're on tweet. You can follow us on Twitter at @accessun. Our YouTube channel is youtube.com/accessun. Instagram is Access Unlimited. Pinterest is Access Unlimited, 2 words. Our website is www.accessunlimited.com, or give us a call the old-fashioned way at 1-607-669-4822. That's in New York in Eastern Standard Time. We look forward to hearing from you there. Evenings and weekends are no problem at 1-615-873-0518. Thank you so much for reaching out to us and checking out our video. Do be sure to watch the other videos in the notes field down below to learn more about the Easy-Stow PIR. Have a great day and